Lisa with WTI, and I'm so excited to introduce you to a hidden gem I have found, and it's my farmhouse ceiling fan with lights. I really wanted to get rid of my chandelier in the living room, and I found this gorgeous 20-inch farmhouse ceiling fan with lights. I want you to pay attention to the details. It's so beautiful. It's a cage structure cotton rope with wooden 7 blades. It comes with LED retro bulbs, which comes 4 of them. And the remote is so adorable, gold color. It makes it so easy to turn on the light or turn on the fan. Once we took this out of the box and started installing it, we figured it would look beautiful in our living room. My husband did a great job. I love how this looks. I want you to see how easy it is. You just turn on the light with the remote. You're gonna see it has 6 speeds, the fan. It has a reversible speed as well. It's so airy and beautiful. You feel how beautiful the air circulates, and I really love that it's ultra quiet. A plus too is that it has a timer for the fan. So just in case you want the air to be flowing, but you want to make sure it's off before you go to bed, you can always put that timer. That's so convenient. You're gonna see the different features. It looks lovely. I really love the touch it gave to my house, to my living room. It's very unique. I highly recommend it if you have that boho farmhouse style. You're gonna love this. It's a beautiful, unique piece of art. This is such a unique fan. I highly recommend it. It's beautiful. You're not gonna find anything like this, and that is just my point of view.